What's the meaning of bookkeeper? Bookkeeper. Bookkeeper.
Bookkeeper. Bookkeeper. A bookkeeper is a person who records and maintains financial transactions of a business. This includes recording sales, purchases, payments, receipts, and other financial activities. The role of a bookkeeper is crucial for ensuring the accuracy of financial data, as well as for preparing financial reports that are necessary for analyzing business performance. Bookkeeping involves organizing accounting documents, entering financial data into software or spreadsheets, reconciling accounts, and producing financial statements. A good bookkeeper is detail-oriented, organized, and adept at using accounting software. Overall, bookkeeping is an essential function for any business that wants to manage its finances efficiently and effectively.